Hi everyone, Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel where I talk press-ons. And these aren't your average press-ons. So today I am so inspired to do a rain inspo set. And it is just inspired from the Texas weather that we're having right now. It's spring and we are getting a lot of rain. So it's a lot of blues, it's a lot of grays, right? Overcast and all that good stuff. And sorry if you can hear that bird. Like, that bird is upset. Goodness gracious, she is going in. Something happened. But anyways, I am totally going to start with this blue ink that I got a long time ago. And I guess if you guys comment and say you want to know where I got it, then I will try and find it for you and link it down below or something like that. So, but for now, I'm doing this for the blue ombre look, and I kind of want it to be like a little jelly like feel to it. So I'm doing this blue ink. I got a little clear ink. I'm making these like water impressions on it with the clear ink, and it's coming out pretty much how I would want it to come out. So I'm happy with it. Now I am going to get into this rainbow because with a lot of rain comes a rainbow every once in a while. And so that's what I'm inspired by now, is to have like a little rainbow type situation. Okay, so I decided I'm going to just put some on the palette and then make like water droplet type of shapes, like no rhyme or rhythm to it, just making little shapes like you would see on a car window or something like that. So that's what I'm going with for this, and I'm just going to do each nail individually, like to cure. So I'm going to do one nail, starting with the pinky, and then I'll cure it, and then I'll move on to the next one, right? So I think I don't know for sure, but that's just how I do it, and I'm going to do it because I think it's the easiest thing, because I just don't want the design to like move around or anything while I'm trying to get the rest of the nails done. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with the pinky. Like I said before, I'm just making these random shapes, and then I'm going to use the metal piece and make the cat eye formation look like and bring out the rainbow, basically bring out the rainbow in the cat eye that I have here. I know, like, I don't know, rainbow cat eye is definitely my favorite. I think I love the rainbow cat eye, but I just hope that it comes through when we do the encapsulation later, and I hope that it actually shows through in the encapsulation. But I might not be able to catch it on the camera, but I mean, I think it's given though, right? It's given rainbow. I don't know. Y'all comment down below if you can see the rainbow. But anywho, I'm gonna move on to the next nail. I'm doing all the nails like this particularly, and as far as the rainbow goes. But here's a question. Have you, or raise your hand if you have ever seen a rainbow after the rain? Has anyone seen a rainbow before? Like, I think everyone should see a rainbow. It's so beautiful. It is so, I don't know, like majestic or something. It is so lovely to look at. It's almost, it's so eye catching and it's jaw dropping. And it's just, you just stare and you just like don't even know how long you've been looking at this rainbow. And it's almost like you don't want to stop looking at it. Like, in case it goes away because you don't want it to go away. But anyway, so that's how I feel about rainbows, and maybe that's why I always use this cat eye too, because I just love this, all the colors and the beautiful sparkle that it has. If you've ever seen a rainbow, you know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know. Now, of course, this cat eye doesn't do a rainbow, a real natural rainbow that you see in the sky. It doesn't do it justice, but hey, this is inspo, right? This is inspo. This is not an actual rainbow, so hey, I think I can get away with it. But I just want to know if it's going to come through on the encapsulation that we're going to do later. So let's just see. Okay, so far so good. I'm now putting on the poly gel. I'm going to use this color, this natural tone for the top portion. And then I'm just going to go down about halfway and blend it into the bottom, but not cover it. So it's a little bit of an art to it, but you will get it if you don't know how to do it already. It is just something that is super easy once you get the hang of it. And that's what I'm going to do for this. And the reason why I'm going to do this natural tone on the top and blend it in is to give it a nice, cute little ombre look. So here we are going into this daisy design, and it's just a 3D daisy design. I'm going to do about 6 of these petals, and I'm going to just cure each one in between for about 30 seconds. Nothing crazy. For the charms, I decided to go with this pearl and also silver. You guys know I don't really do silver too much, only because it doesn't really bring out my skin tone or anything, so as like gold does, but I do love a nice silver set. So this is what I decided to do for this because of all the grays and the rainbow cat eye is looking a lot more silverish too. I just wanted to bring out the silver in the set and bring out the other colors in this um, arrangement. And yeah, so I'm gonna put some more charms on the other fingers, and we're just gonna play it by ear, and we're just gonna do what feels right, right? I'm just gonna start putting on the ones that I think is gonna be good, and just following this color scheme. All right, now girlies, I think this is the finished look. Yeah, put a little top coat on it, and here you go. What do you think? Now that you've seen the encapsulation, now that we have the encapsulation on here, what do you think about the rainbow look? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the little razzle dazzle? But yeah, this is a short and sweet video for you guys today. Y'all let me know what you think about this set, and I will catch you on the next video.